In today's video, I'll show you how to install your 100% save file in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Go back to username. Open saved games. Kingdom Come 2. Saves. Play line 0. Before dropping the save, backup your game progress. Drag and drop your game progress inside this backup folder and drag and drop the 100% save inside. Once you dropped, launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and you can able to see all saves loads. Now you can play whatever save file you like. And as you can see, the save file was working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.